Decoding the hidden whispers of your computer. It's time for an AMC service. Hint number 1. Slow performance. If your computer is taking ages to boot up or load application, it's likely begging for attention. Over time, software clutter, malware, and system updates can bog down your system's performance. Hint number 2. Strange noises. If your computer is suddenly making weird noises or clicking sounds, it could indicate a hardware issue. Neglecting this could lead to costly repairs down the road. Hint number 3. Overheating. If your laptop or PC frequently gets hot to the touch, it's not just uncomfortable, it's potentially damaging your components. Hint number 4. Frequent crashes or freezes. When your computer starts freezing or crashing unexpectedly, it's trying to tell you that something is wrong with its stability.